And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 3 websites that you can actually use to start earning money today, 2024, from the comfort of your home. And all you just have to do is have a smartphone with an internet connection and you're good to go. But before then, my name is Collins King, and what I do on this channel is I go source out great information on ways to make money online, entrepreneurship, side hustle. I vet out these updates, do the research, do the heavy lifting, and then I bring the end product back to my viewers so we all can bake bread together. Now, your only thank you gift to me is to kindly subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification bell so you get notified when I drop new content like this, and also like this video so we can push it out to as much people as possible looking for ways to make money. Now, without wasting much time, let's head on to the screen so I can show you guys the 3 websites that you can actually start using to earn money today from the comfort of your home. The first website is called Hawkit.ng, where it says get paid for posting adverts daily on your social media account. So you can see earn daily income by reselling products, posting adverts, and performing simple social tasks for top businesses and brands on your social media account. Now, if you have social media that you're not using or you're just passively making use of it, you can actually leverage on your social media to start making money daily from your phone every single day by coming on this platform, signing up, completing simple tasks, and at the end of the day, you get paid. So according to his statistics, it says he has about 200 plus members, 50,000 plus advertisers, 10 million plus advert views, 300,000 plus apps download. And the good thing is you can actually get paid directly to your Nigeria bank account. So I'll suggest you check this out for yourself. Do your due diligence before deciding to go ahead with this website. The second website is called freebiz.com. Freebiz.com is more like a website for freelancers where you can come, still perform daily tasks and get paid at the end of the day. And that's why he wrote work online and earn daily in dollars and naira. So let's take a deeper look at what this website has to offer. Freebiz was created for you to make cool cash every day by doing simple social media jobs on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and other social media platforms. So use Freebiz to answer survey questions, play games, and install applications to make money online daily. So you can actually, just like the other websites, you can come on YouTube, complete the tasks. Maybe they might want you to subscribe to a channel or like a video. Same thing on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. And at the end of the day, you can easily get paid after doing all these tasks. And also, this is now for people who might want to put their own post out there. On Freebiz, you can hire online workers to increase your business visibility and organic growth through engagement on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, WhatsApp, and Twitter. And the good thing is they also pay you when you refer someone to their website. That's why he wrote, when you tell a friend about Freebiz, you will be rewarded with 500 naira on each friend, and instant bonus of 5,000 naira when you reach 50 verified referral link. So that's how Freebiz work. And how can you actually start getting paid on this website? So all you have to do is sign up to the website, start earning, and the only way you can actually start earning is by completing some of the taxes that they want you to complete. And once you're done completing those taxes, you cash out, right? You cash out directly to your Naira bank account. Also, you can hire workers on here to engage your post or your blog on social media channels for organic growth and increased visibilities for sales. Okay, so do your research on this website as well before deciding to engage with this website. Also, they have like some frequently asked questions that you might be interested in. All you just have to do is scroll down below. You can see, how do I start earning on Freebiz? How can I withdraw my money on Freebiz? They pay directly to your bank account, and also to PayPal. For those of us that have PayPal, how do I withdraw in dollars? How do I become an affiliate marketer on Freebiz? All these good stuffs, they have all the answers to your question. Just check it out, okay? And last but not the least is writersgig.com. Writers Gig says writing is fun, make it better by earning seamlessly. So Writers Gig is basically for people who have some sort of passion for writing. And the good thing is you don't even need to have a blog or a website to actually start earning money. All you just have to do is come on this website, sign up, start completing simple tasks, and at the end of the day, you get paid. And they also have like different categories where you can write on, just so you can express yourself seamlessly and do whatever you want, basically. So you can see blog writing, UX writing, copywriting, technical writing, artistic writing, script writing, ghost writing. All of this they offer for free. All you just have to do is
come on here, sign up, and you can actually start making money from this website. So how does it actually work? Register on Writers Gig, create a gig or bid for buyer's offer, receive payment, then you can start writing. And you can see it says a platform to hire freelance writers or get paid to write. Hire skilled writers, frequent engagement, get paid seamlessly. So I'll also suggest you guys check this one out for those of us who are writers, so we can be leveraging on our writing skill to actually earn money from the comfort of our home, doing it at our own pace. Okay?
So one thing that I want to say, in effect to everything that I just said right now, is the fact that making money online isn't as easy as a lot of people think. It requires patience, it requires consistency. And what I just did now is I just gave you more like the info, okay? And I'll suggest you still go out there and do your own due diligence. But while doing your due diligence, ensure to always show up every single day, put in the work, and show up consistently. Because information without work ethics means nothing. And information with work ethics but no consistency also means nothing, because consistency is actually what will enable you to start seeing results at the end of the day from trying to make money online. Okay, so if you gained any sort of value from today's video, do well to subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification bell so you get notified when I drop new content like this, and also like this video so we can push it out to as much people as possible. And let me know in the comment section below what your thoughts are. Okay, with all of that being said, guys, I'm going to see you all in my next video.